we are at the San Diego Convention Center for the ATC 2023 meeting. Let's go inside. No matter who you are or where you're from, people have got to know. So first things first, make sure to get your badge from the registration booth in Hall A. And since we are so close by, make sure to head on over to the exhibit hall in halls A, B, and C and check out all things transplantation. While you're in the exhibit, come on over to Hall A to the poster sessions and learn about the most cutting-edge research in the transplantation community. Now, I know you're still hungry for more knowledge, and it just so happens that the menu is right here in your badge. Find out about all the sessions, lectures, and events happening this week, and be sure to plan accordingly as these things can get pretty busy. After a day of education, connection, and inspiration, the last thing you want is for all that to end. But unfortunately, these doors do close each night, and you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. But you can stay there. The San Diego Convention Center is located right across the street from San Diego's historic Gaslamp Quarter. Make sure to stop by after the conference and experience the San Diego staple. No matter how you do ATC, one thing's for certain, you did it right.